In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Nintendo Switch Lite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now I'm demonstrating this on a different Switch model, but the method is the exact same on the Switch Lite. And if you want to fully factory reset your console, maybe you're selling it, starting fresh, what you're going to want to do is begin by closing any games running in the background and then scroll down and you're going to see a system settings option here. Go ahead and open this up and scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you're going to see a system option right here. Select it, and once you're inside system, scroll down to the very bottom, and what you're looking for is this data clear options, or it might be called formatting options. Open this up and you're going to see a few different options in here. If you want to clear your cache, you can choose that option. But for a full reset, go ahead and select restore factory settings and then choose delete all data in the system memory. You may have to hit next a few times in order to do that. But the reset process can take anywhere from about 10 minutes to an hour, depending on how much data is stored on the console. Whenever it finishes and the console turns back on, everything's going to be erased with no games, no accounts, and it's just going to be exactly how it was when you first set it up. But that is it. Your Nintendo Switch Lite should now be fully factory reset and ready to set up again. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.